How are you, students? We'll come back with the next part of light revision for grade 10. First question: when does total internal reflection occur? When the angle of incidence is greater than the critical angle. When the angle of incidence is greater than critical angle, I will have total internal reflection. Next question: define refractive index. The ratio of the speed of light in a vacuum to the speed of light in any given medium. This ratio between the speed of the light between the medium and the vacuum and the medium, this is called refractive index, and we can calculate it by next question. Give the equation of refractive index. Refractive index equal sin I over sin R. Refractive index also can be 1 over sin I. I and R is incident and refractive angle. When light passes through a converging lens, what happens to the light when passing through a converging lens? It will be converge or diverge. The light rays tend towards the normal and meet at the focal point. This conversion phenomenon. What is the principal focus of lens? A focal point before a convex lens from which light rays appear to come from, or the focal point after the concave lens where all the rays meet. Next question: draw a diagram of light rays through a converging lens. Yes, this incident ray, it will be made at a point. This is the focus principle or focal point or principal focus of this lens. Next question: how can lenses act as magnifying glasses? By producing an enlarged virtual image. When we have a bigger image than the original object, it will be working as a magnifying glasses. How does wave lenses affect refraction? Shorter wavelengths, waves refract more. Next question: what happens when white light is shone through a prism? Yes, it will have a dispersion. It separates into a spectrum of all its colors light components, and this conception we called it dispersion. Why the white light separated by a prism? Because yes, each different colored light wave has a different wavelengths. The shorter the wavelength light blue the most, while longer wavelengths red refract more, producing a spectrum. This spectrum we call, this colors called it after rainbow. List in the correct order the color spectrum produced by dispersions of white light. Yes, it starts with red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Next question: what is monochromatic light? Light of a single frequency. When we have light of a single frequency, we call monochromatic light. For example, is laser. Laser is example of monochromatic light. Thank you. Goodbye for the next lesson.